guys. So here is all of the fireworks. We're gonna light them up, and then see what happens. So here's the rocket. Here's the fountain. This is the two rockets, and there's that one, and there's the sparkleberry, which is something. And finally, we got this, the lighthouse. The lighthouse firework is has so much stages. So yeah. So you guys happy 4th of July, and yeah, I'm going to record one of these fireworks and then send it on YouTube. Okay, see you later. Goodbye.